Yo, what's up guys? Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to get Quillbot for free. So first what we need to do is open your browser and then type in cookie editor extension. Cookie editor extension. Search it and then just you will find it right in the top. Enable the extension, just click on add to Chrome, add extension, and then you will see the extension is here. So now next just pin this. Once you pin this, open quillbot.com and as you can see here is no option for get premium. So what we are going to do next is just open a browser, open the cookie extension like this. Here we have the cookies. Now open the same tab and then click on cookie, delete all and just go to import, paste the code here and then import it. Once you import it, just refresh the page, but remember you must not refresh the page wholly. So just stop it right while it is loading and the option for get premium hides away. Now next let's just check this if it works or not. So I have an article here and I'm just going to copy this article and then paste it in the Quillbot. Once I paste it, I'm just going to click on paraphrase it. So let's see if it does or not. So now you can see it is paraphrasing the whole article right now. So the paraphrasing has been started and it is changing the words with synonyms. So as you can see, this word has chest pain can be caused by a variety of conditions ranging from muscle soreness to a heart attack. So now that has been changed to a range of diseases ranging from muscle discomfort to heart attack can produce chest pain. Sorry guys, my English is not so good and just poor at it because I am not a native speaker, but I will try to improve it sooner, so you don't have to worry. Now see, as you can see here, it is totally paraphrased. No, it is being paraphrased. It is still being paraphrased, guys. So let's just stop and see how much time it takes. So now here we can see an option, something went wrong, but it won't cause any problem because it is being paraphrased. See, you can see the option is coming there, but there is no issue with paraphrasing. You might get confused with this, so you don't have to confuse with this. You can see the word has already been changed and now you can just copy and use it wherever you want to use this. It is totally 100% plagiarism free. I'm just going to share this with you guys, the cookies, and keep loving and supporting and subscribe the Andy Studios for regular tips and tricks.